Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you or explain to you a super payroll tutorial for beginners. First is setting up payroll. Sign up on their site and enter business information. Also, add your employees if you have one. On running payroll, enter hours or salaries. Manually input employee hours or use Super Payroll's time tracking features for automatic updates. Review payroll. Review all employee pay details, taxes, and deduction. Once everything is correct, approve and submit payroll for processing. For employees, who receive payments via direct deposit or checks. On tax management, automatic tax calculations. Sure Payroll automatically calculates federal, state, and local payroll taxes. Tax filing rather. Sure Payroll will file and pay your taxes on your behalf, including year-end reports like W2S and 1099S. Tax Alert. Stay notified of upcoming tax deadlines and changes. Now for best practices, set up reminders, track employee benefits, and review reports. And that's basically it.